Good morning, early risers! Gagawa tayo ngayon ng oyster mushroom with chicken. Tinadtad na bawang at sibuyas, paminta at asin, manok, pwedeng 1/4, pwedeng yung mga tira-tirang buto-buto, oyster mushroom fresh ang ginamit ko, cream mushroom ng Knorr cream soup, and 3 cups of water. Tunawin natin ang cream mushroom dun sa 3 cups of water. Haluin natin hanggang sa maging smooth siya at maiiwan dun yung mga mushroom bits. So, it's okay. Kaya ginamit ko rito ay Thai part para hindi na tayo magmantika. Ito na yung gagawin nating mantika. I mean, isi-sear natin para magmantika yung chicken. Ibalik-balik na rin lang natin yung meat para evenly cook siya. Para kung galing siya sa freezer, yung matowed yung loob niya. Ayan. So, pag medyo dark na ng konti yung kanyang color and nakikita mong may oil na, so that means pwede na natin i-saute ang sibuyas at bawang. I usually do first yung garlic and then yung sibuyas at the same time lang naman. It will bring the same aroma. Yan, luto na yung ating sibuyas at bawang. So, after 3 minutes, now we can add in yung cream soup na ating tinunaw kanina doon sa tubig. Yan. Actually, ang bango niya na. And then, kailangan again, medium fire. And then later on, after na makumulo, let's have it into a low fire. So, cover it up for about 10 minutes. And then, 5 minutes naman without cover. Haluin lang siya ng haluin para hindi mag-scorch or hindi masunog yung ilalim. Hindi mamuo sa ilalim yung kanyang cream soup. I have added yung mushroom buttons kasi meron akong leftover sa ref. So, that would be additional. It's a surprise. And then, add na natin yung ating mushroom. Oops! So, stir it again for about 3 minutes. And it's all done. It's all cooked. Makikita mo na pag malambot na yung mushroom. They usually would cover like 2 minutes. Yan, ready for serving. I will eat rice for this morning kasi medyo heavy yung workload today. So, early riser, enjoy your meal. Alright, bye-bye.